February, and I think we should definitely know that what interesting happened today in science. To know that, watch this video till the end. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. My name is Ambika and I am here to tell you about the science events that happened today. So, the first event is Atomic Energy Reactor Shutdown. So, the Yankee Atomic Electric Company's nuclear reactor was permanently shut down due to the reactor vessel embrittlement in 1992 after more than 31 years of service. When it was built, it was the third atomic reactor in the US and the first for commercial production of electricity. The reactor achieved self-sustaining nuclear reaction on 19 August 1960, and the pressurized light water reactor produced 125,000 kilowatts of electricity. The company was formed by 12 New England utility companies. And the next important event is the double helix published. So, a personal account of the discovery of the DNA structure is an autobiographical account of the discovery, the double helix structure of DNA, written by Mr. James D. Watson and published in 1968. This book has earned both critical and public praise, along with continuing controversy about credit for the Nobel Award and attitude towards the female scientists at the time of discovery. And the next event is first Saturn 1B rocket flight. On 26 Feb 1966, the first Saturn 1B launch vehicle lifted off from Cape Canaveral in Florida. The Apollo Saturn 201 was set out to test the new Saturn 1B rocket, along with the Apollo Command and Service Module. Primary objective of the mission was included evaluating the heat shield for the Apollo Command Module and testing the structural integrity of the launch vehicle. And the next important event is radar. In 1935, the feasibility of radar was demonstrated to Air Ministry officials at Daventry, England by Robert Watson Watt. Earlier, while he was working on methods of using radio waves detection to locate thunderstorm in order to provide warnings to airmen, he realized that it could be used to track enemy aircraft for air defense. The test showed that a RAF Hayford bomber flying in the main beam of a BBC shortwave radio transmitter gave back reflected signals to the ground on 3 occasions that the aircraft passed overhead. The next important event is radioactivity. 26 February 1896 was an overcast day in Paris, and that presented a problem for French physicist Antoine Henri Becquerel. Becquerel was hoping to demonstrate a link between minerals that glow when exposed to strong light and a new type of electromagnetic radiation called X-rays. The weather thwarted this experiment, but the failure inadvertently produced an entirely new discovery called natural radioactivity. The next important event is glass blowing machine. In 1895, Michael Joseph Owens of Toledo City in Ohio patented a glass blowing machine that was capable of producing 5 pieces at a time by placing 5 molds surrounding molten glass in front of a blowing pipe. Each piece was made without seams or roughness. Owens was a co-founder of the glass industry in Toledo. The next important event is microbe named. In 1878, the French scientist Sadolet corresponded with Littre concerning certain microorganisms and a suitable word to name them. Littre replies in a letter on this date that he chosen the word microbe rather than microbia, even though it was coined from 2 Greek words that together would mean short-lived rather than small life. The next important event is pneumatic subway opened. It was operated by a steam engine drawing air in through a wall and blowing it forcefully into the tunnel. American inventor and editor of Scientific American magazine, which reported on technology, development and patents in the 19th century. And Veitch himself invented a tunneling shield and built the pneumatic tube subway, which propelled a carriage by means of air pressure generated by huge fans. The next important event is Galileo warning. In 1616, on 26 February, Cardinal Bellarmine warned Galileo not to hold, teach or defend the Copernican theory that the earth revolved around the sun. The next slide is about the name of scientists who have born on 26 February. The names are Giulio Natta, Herbert Henry Dow, John Evershed, Emilio Kuh, John Harvey Kellogg, Camille Flammarion, Levi Strauss, Joseph LeCun's, Benoit Clapeyron, Francois Argo. The next are the scientists who have passed on 26 February, and the names are Max Stern, Anthony John Arkell, Otto Wallach, Mary Whiton Calkins, Hermann Ebbinghaus, Richard Jordan Gatting, Pietro Angelo Secchi, Eli Terry, Alois Sennenfelder. These are the scientists who have passed on 26 February. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and for being a patient listener. If you like this video, please like, comments and subscribe our channel, and please share this video to your friends who were born today and who want to know what happened in the history of the science today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.